Schlage smart locks, particularly the Encode series, seamlessly integrate with Apple's HomeKit. This allows voice control via Siri, automation, and remote access through iOS devices. We'll cover how to connect your Schlage Lock to HomeKit and troubleshoot common issues, focusing on the latest features and updates as of January 7th, 2026. Before setting up your Schlage Lock with HomeKit, make sure you meet these key requirements. First, you need a compatible Schlage Lock. The Encode Plus or Encode Wi-Fi models with HomeKit support are ideal choices. You'll also need an iPhone or iPad running iOS 15.4 or later. iOS 18 or higher is recommended for full Matter support. A stable Wi-Fi network is essential for the connection to work properly. For remote access, you'll need a home hub like an Apple TV 4th generation or later, a HomePod, or an iPad set up as a hub. First, make sure your lock's firmware is up to date via the Schlage app version 4.2 or later. Next, open the Home app on your iOS device, tap the plus icon, and select Add Accessory. Then, scan the HomeKit QR code on your lock or use NFC if available. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect via Bluetooth and enter the lock's access code if required. The lock will then appear in the Home app. Once your Schlage Lock is added to HomeKit, test the local connection by locking and unlocking through the Home app. Next, test voice commands by saying, "Hey Siri, lock the front door," or "Hey Siri, unlock the front door," to ensure Siri integration works. Finally, if you have an Apple TV, HomePod, or iPad as a home hub, test remote access by controlling the lock when away from home. This confirms the lock is properly integrated with your HomeKit system. If you encounter problems during setup, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your iOS device and that the lock is within range. Resetting the lock via the Schlage app and restarting your iOS device can often resolve pairing issues. Check your Wi-Fi network stability and ensure your home hub is functioning correctly. If you can control the lock locally but not remotely, verify that your Apple TV, HomePod, or iPad is set up as a home hub and is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the lock. Ensure the hub is updated to the latest software version. Bluetooth interference from other devices can also cause issues. Try relocating the hub. Schlage's Encode Plus and newer models support Matter, enabling cross-platform compatibility. This allows the lock to work with other smart home ecosystems like Google Home without requiring an Apple hub. Ensure your lock has the latest firmware to take full advantage of Matter's benefits. HomeKit ensures your Schlage Lock is secure with end-to-end encryption, protecting your data from unauthorized access. Regularly update your lock's firmware through the Schlage app to access the latest security improvements and bug fixes. The smart lock industry is advancing with greater interoperability through protocols like Matter, allowing seamless integration across different brands. AI-driven features will enable predictive actions, such as auto-unlocking based on your habits. Schlage is developing biometric upgrades, including facial recognition, and enhanced connections to security cameras and alarm systems for comprehensive home protection.